Hey, what are you doing? Shh, not now. Can't you see I'm doing something important? Haha, are you trying to edit pictures for Instagram? No, I'm trying to proofread my CV. Can I please have some silence? Oh no, not again. What happened now? I don't know, yeah. I managed to forward my CV to a few companies, but I haven't heard back from any of them. Ah, and you think there's something wrong with the CV? Of course, I have all the skills and experience. I'm perfect for these roles. I don't see why I wasn't selected. Hmm. That's because you just have a traditional black and white 1950s wala inspired CV, yeah? To be honest, I don't blame them. Poor HR managers are scanning through hundreds and thousands of resumes every day. This is just sad. Excuse me? I'm going to stop you right there. It is a CV. It is supposed to be in this format. It is a tried and tested method. Yup, tried and tested method of being basic. Where's the creativity, the color, the spark? It's all in me. Me. I'm right here. Me. Yes, so why don't you put that out there for them to see? What do you mean? Okay, I'll make it simple for you. Why don't you work on creating a digital portfolio for yourself? A digital portfolio? You mean put up all my personal data online? Don't you remember that show we would binge watch on Netflix? Hmm, there are so many. A little refresher would be nice. I'm talking about Black Mirror. Oh, I love that show. Do you remember how people could hack into accounts and manipulate data? No, I don't want to risk it. Oh, come on. I've told you so many times, how do you keep forgetting? Try IndianZero.com now. They ensure data security through and through. Really? Is this the same website Shania used to make her portfolio? Yes, exactly. Shania's was so personalized, so stunning. An absolute hit, I must say. Alright. I think I'll give it a shot. After all, the future is digital. You're welcome. Now you're one step closer to being future ready.